control. The aircraft and its crew from Lufttransportgeschwarder or Air Transport Wing 62 based at Wunstorf, and the crew headed by Major Christopher Hike.
Yes, thanks Ben. I'm A400M. It's operated, of course, here in the UK by the Royal Air Force. We're seeing the Luftwaffe aircraft now, but also France, Spain, aircraft. I've seen pictures of it. It looks absolutely fabulous. It carries 12 main wheels, spreading those 141 tons of takeoff weight over a wide surface area, allowing it to land on very soft surfaces indeed. And of course, if you have a number of main wheels, you can have a number of carbon ceramic brake pads as well. Couple that with the reverse power and the electric power, it's often very good indeed.
And that's further aided by the pitch that the pilot selects on the very impressive propellers driven by the TP.
Assisting our customers like the Royal Air Force, like the Luftwaffe, achieve their net zero targets, and we're really excited about our contribution to that.
So now, what are Christopher and his crew doing now in the cockpit as the aircraft comes into land?
Using the head-up display to its full, which gives them a very precise landing spot in which they'll be able to land on an unpaved runway, for example, to land right where